first we will see how to make this two-colored Pareto chart. So this is the workbook. This is the data we have. So we have the company name and we have the amount held offshore associated with each of the companies. So first that amount is in the millions. So we will create a calculated field. Associated. Now we will use this field. First we will pull the company name in the columns, and next we will have the amount associated with each of the company. We will sort this out. We'll convert this to million. Got it. Okay. Now we will have some table calculation to create the Pareto chart. First we will have the running total based on the company name. Then we will add a secondary table calculation that will be percent of total. That will also be based on the company name. So this is what we are getting. So we convert it to entire view. Okay. Now we will have this in the details section. Okay. Copy this field in the details section. Convert this one to the count distinct of the companies. Now we will go with the table calculations. And this one is also a running total. This one will also be based on the company name. We'll do the same sorting in this one also. By the field sending amount held offshore. Okay. We will convert this to area chart. This is what we'll get, and we'll change the axis names. This will be our number of the companies. This will be our percent of total running by sure. Now what we will have to make it two color. So first, if you see here in this one, so if I pull the amount held offshore in the detail section, so if you see we have the, like here we have some amount, and in these companies we have amount held offshore 0. So we have to remove these companies first. We will create a set on the company field. The condition amount held offshore should be greater than 0 only. Parameters companies with money, consider them only. Have it in the filter section. Okay. Now this will give us only the companies that is having some amount associated. So now we will create another set to have it colored for the top end companies. We will top end by field. This should be by parameter. how many companies we want. Then here we will allow all the values. Current value should be 30. This should be amount held offshore sum. Okay, so this will be used to color. If you here, okay, this is what we are getting from this one. We'll edit our table calculations. This one we will consider top n, and in this one also we will consider top n, and in this one also we will consider top n. So this is how it will divide the chart in two parts. So these are the like top n companies, and this gray part the normal companies. We will change the color. This is fine. Some more is it? Okay, now this is fine. Now we will add the reference lines that we at this point, the two crossing reference line for the percentage of total money and the number of companies. And the first one we will have on the number of companies, that will be pointing at the parameter. We will have the value of that. Do some formatting, alignment the above. Where it gone?
It's in the bottom below the data source. This analytics below the data source.
Below the data source.
Yeah, the one that you pointed is correct. This analytics.
Okay, understood. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Akhil. So, okay, we'll go with the format. Alignment. Go with that. We will add our second reference line. That will be on the amount held offshore. Okay, for this one we need to create the calculation first. Remove this. We'll create a calculated field for this one. That will be pointing us at the percentage of the common point. So if our index will be equal to our parameter, then we will be getting the percent of that. Okay. First let me pull these. We will be using these fields. Just let me pull. We will be needing these fields in the future, so we will create the calculated fields from these ones. Percent of running total of money. And we will be needing this one also. We'll create the calculated field from this one. Hashtag of running total companies. Okay, so these are the fields. Now we will create a calculated field for the reference line. Percent of money for the reference line. And this one, if the index will be equal to our parameter, then we will be getting percent of running total money at that point. Now we will pull another reference line at this point that will be pointing percent of okay, yeah. It's not coming.
You have to bring that field into details.
Okay, yeah. Sorry, forgot it. You bring it into details. Now we'll go with the reference line. We'll show it here at this point. Come. Check it. Here's the calculation.
I think we got to reassign the table calculations for percentage of money.
Percentage of money, yeah. Computed a table calculation. Yeah, in this one we didn't calculate it. Okay, we'll compute it along with both. Okay. Thanks, Akhil. Now we are getting this one. We'll format it. Percentage. This is how we'll get it. So in this one, like 30 companies total accumulate to 65.45% of the running total of amount held offshore. So now we will create the title. If you see here, okay, so we will create this title. 50 companies account for 76%. So if you change here the parameters, like if you want to see the top 50 companies, the lines will move accordingly. If we change the title, push the parameter companies account for this much percentage of the money held offshore. Okay, so this is on the two color Pareto chart.